day 3, and we're heading up the Meadows and the Sky Parkway.
Hi, I'm Tracy.
And I'm Christian.
And we are Tumbleweed RV Life.
We decided to live our dreams today and now and not wait till tomorrow or someday. We research the latest RV products and how-tos and bring you the best that we find scouring the internet.
And if you're new to our channel, hit the red subscribe button down below. And while you're at it, hit the bell for future notifications on all our videos.
So, Mama, what are we doing today?
We are going to Revelstoke Meadows in the Sky
Parkway.
Parkway.
It's actually a national park. It winds up the mountain. There's some incredible things to see and do.
I'm excited.
So join us.
Then we are going to see my cousin Tammy and Darren, which I have never met, and I am so excited. And we are going to, what do you call it?
Mooch dock. We don't like that word.
I
mooch
hate
dock,
that word.
because really we're self-sufficient. We're not mooching.
Yeah.
Oh, maybe a little bit of power. So we're going to end up there tonight, and we hope to get some great drone footage today also. So why don't you join us? Let's have some fun.
Yep. Take the exit towards Meadows and the Sky Parkway.
Welcome. Bienvenue.
Why, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
All right, so we're legal. We are able to go to the top, but the top is not open yet. The very top. So we're gonna see what we can see. The summit, yeah, Revelstoke Summit.
Hairpin 1.
Yeah, there's a lot of hairpin turns, and that's why, I guess that's why they say no big trailers.
Oh yeah. There's probably some pretty bad ones.
Yeah.
I saw on the map here.
There's the map and all the hairpin turns. Yeah, you can see that. So he circled some spots for us, so let's see what we can see.
Almost leave the dogs.
Huh?
If we're going on a hike, we should almost leave them.
We are leaving the dogs because I'm sorry. They hate the leash, and
Yeah, I don't want
you have to have the dog on the leash. They absolutely hate, our dogs hate leashes. We have a harness for them because I don't like collars on dogs unless it's for the tags. No, but for the tags it's fine, but I don't like pulling my dog from the collar on a leash. I don't like that. I feel like it's almost cruel. But they do have harnesses, so it's on their back.
That was 2.
That was 2.
Oh, there's a really bad one up here. Switch back.
Okay.
I think it switches back on itself type thing.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. Watch for
amphibians. Ooh. Really? Oh, that's exciting. I hope we see some.
So this one here, it's really wild. It looks really weird on the map.
Okay. Oh, it does. Oh my. Let's see if I can get that. Can you see that on the map there? Oh, this is what we're doing right now. Oh, that's why it's only 20. Oh, because this is a place to walk. That's why too. This is the one.
This is
Nels
Nelson. Oh, I guess, yeah, we saw the trailhead at the
bottom. Yeah, we did see the trailhead at the bottom. Ski jump. That's the one he said. He mentioned that one.
But this is 3. Oh, yeah, he said catch it on the way down, he said.
Yeah. Oh, there was somebody following us? I didn't even know. Look out, yeah. But that's where he said you can see. Oh, look at this. Can we stop, or you want to stop on the way down?
No, we can stop. Get them all done.
Okay, so this is, look at that. Wow. Okay, we'll get out and get some pictures and video. Well, this is Revelstoke National Park. And this is the first lookout. Wow.
So here we are at the first lookout. And there is Revelstoke. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, so we're at A right now. So we came in this way, all the switchbacks. We're at A. So there's a lookout also at C. And there might be one at D also. Let's go check them out.
And there looks like there's another trail right here.
That's where it continues.
Right there, another trail. Yeah.
Can you mountain bike that?
That's what he said.
You can mountain bike it?
There's a bike there too. Look at the bike on the road here. The little bike marks.
Oh yeah. Yeah, on the road, but I don't know if you can bike the trails.
Oh, I don't know. I want to see a frog. Or even a gecko. Like, I mean, I'm used to seeing them in Mexico, not here. Have you ever seen a gecko here?
No.
I mean,
It's probably
like a lizard, right?
different kind.
That's what I'm saying. I'd love to see one because I've never seen one here. Oh, there's a bigger spot here. This is... Okay, so we've got bathrooms. And we're going to pull in here. No overnight camping. Well, obviously. This is cool. Rainforest, snow forest, no forest.
As you go up in elevation.
Oh, yeah. Oh, wow, it opens up. This is good. Oh, this is nice. Oh, look at that. This little cabin up there. Oh, wow. Yeah, you can really see the town of Revelstoke up here. Timeless views. The city of Revelstoke. There we go. View of history. What is up there? Let's go check that out.
Yeah, there's a windstone.
Oh, that is neat. Look at that.
Want to start a fire, hen? We'll come back down. It'll be nice and warm. But yeah, I guess if you're hiking, it's a place where you can take a break and warm up.
Firewood is for use at this picnic site only.
Check that out.
Oh, yeah. Little cabin in the woods. Right?
Just put the camera like just and then look up. Look up. Okay. Let's go check out the waterfall. It's got energy. The water has energy.
That's what water's supposed to taste like.
But it's so oxygenated.
Yeah. Yeah, there is a difference.
Baby brother to our camper.
Baby brother. And it's Fraser Way too.
Is it?
Oh, this is gonna be a nice one though. I can just feel it. Wow, almost in the sky. Yeah, it's closed off here.
Continue on Summit Parkway.
All right. Well, let's go check out the view.
Head east.
So this is from Point D, Snow Forest Lookout.
Honey, I've got an instant post to Instagram picture.
Good. Do it. Going for a picnic. Oh my goodness, look how beautiful this water is. Here's the enchanted forest. We're gonna hit that place on the way back. Right, Papa?
Yes, we are.
Yay! Hey, I want to be a kid again, just for a day. This is Salmon Arm.